Hello, my name is Mirza and I will be presenting my graphics programming assignment today. I have created a snooker game that uses p5.js and meta.js to handle its physics. There's three different game modes, some visual effects, and my extension for this project is adding a point system for each ball that is pocketed in the home. But let's cover that in a bit. For now, let me first run through everything. So this is mode 1. As you can see, this is just a standard snooker setup. You've got the table with the right 12:6 ratio. The pockets are 1.5 times the ball size like they should be. If you can notice the 6 pockets, there's 4 in the corners and 2 middle pockets at the top and the bottom. The cushions have tight gaps, just big enough for the balls to fall through. There are 15 balls in the triangle there, and all the colored balls where they're supposed to go. As you can, I'm now going to generate the white cue ball. As you can see, I'm clicking everywhere but the D zone, and the white cue ball isn't being generated. This is because I have tweaked it for the cue ball to only be generated inside the D zone, just like it was intended to. Alright, so now I'm going to demonstrate the drag and aim function of this game. So to shoot, you have to just click near the white ball, drag it. As you can see, the cue stick will be generated as you click near the white ball. To aim, you just drag away from the ball. The cue points the opposite way from where your mouse is. Pull back further to gain more power. You can see the power gauge at the at the bottom right. It goes from green for soft shots, yellow for medium shots, and red for max power. You can also use arrow keys to tweak the angles for precise aim. So as you can see, I was moving the arrow. Yeah. So let me take a shot right now. Alright. Very nice. As you can see, the cushion bounce is working correctly. The walls have different physics than the balls, so they bounce realistically. Okay, first animation, the ball trails. So every time a ball moves, it leaves this fading trail behind it. Let me demonstrate for you. Yeah. Alright. I'm storing like 15 previous positions, and the older ones get more transparent and smaller. Kind of like creates this motion blur. So when the ball slow down, as you can see, the trails fade away automatically when they stop. So let's move on to cue impact. So when we hit the cue stick with the when the cue stick hits the ball, you can see that there was yellow rings. Yeah, so these 3 circles expand out with a ripple effect. It shows you exactly where the contact happened. Finally, pocket entry. As you can see, I already scored 1 red ball, and the point system increases. Anyway, so where was I? Alright, so pocket entry. When you pot a ball, if I could. Okay, good. Okay, so it shrinks down and fades out before it actually gets removed. It works on all 6 pockets, the 4 corners, and the 2 middle pockets at the top and bottom. The pocketing system uses speed-based detection to slow balls. So slow balls have a bigger target area, while fast balls need better aim. Let's move on to mode 2. I will now use the number 2 key. Alright, so mode 2. This one makes 3 random clusters of red balls scattered around. Each cluster has some random variation so they don't look too perfect and gridded. The colored balls stay in their normal spots though. Alright, so just another demonstration. If you pocket a white ball, let's say, like this, yeah, so the ball it disappears and you can place it again inside the D zone. So no game over, just a basic respawn. Let's move on to mode 3. Mode 3 is where this is mode 3. It's practice mode with trajectory prediction. The red balls are in 3 lines coming off the pink spot. Let me generate the cue ball again. Alright. So when you aim, you can see this yellow line. It shows you exactly where the cue ball's gonna go. Even bounce off the cushions up to twice, as you can see. The math behind this is that I use raised circle intersections with quadratic equations. Alright. So I will now try to aim. Alright. So when I aim towards the brown ball, if the path hits another ball, it stops there and shows where the ball will go in its actual color. It's pretty handy for handling combo shots. And it handles cushion bounces using angle reflection formulas. Each bounce makes the line shorter to show energy loss. The length also changes based on how hard you're gonna hit it. Like this, so yeah. Alright, so it works perfectly. Okay. So yeah, so that is all the 3 modes that I've just demonstrated. It's got realistic physics, works smoothly, animation looks good, and the trajectory thing is pretty unique, as well as the point system, as I showed you just now. Codes all organized with proper OOP and helper functions. Alright, thank you so much for watching.